In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Squarespace account. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely to ensure that you can make this change with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. As you open your preferred web browser, head to the Squarespace homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Squarespace interface, where you can access various settings and tools related to your website or account. Now, keep your eyes on the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll see an icon with your initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From this menu, select the Account Dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center for managing your Squarespace account, and from here, you can access a wide range of account management features. As you enter the account dashboard, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand menu. Search for an option labeled Account Settings. Once you find it, click on it. This will bring up a series of settings tailored for managing your account details. These settings range from basic profile information to more specific options related to security and personal preferences. Next, you'll need to look for Account and Security. Clicking on this will lead you to a new page focused on safeguarding your account and adjusting crucial details like your email address and password. This ensures that your account remains secure while giving you the flexibility to update your personal information as needed. With the Account and Security page open, you'll see an option that says Change Email Address. This is exactly what we're here to do today. Click on this option to proceed with updating your email address. Once you click to change your email address, you'll be prompted to enter your new email. Be cautious when typing it in to avoid any mistakes, as this will be your new point of contact for all Squarespace communications. After entering the new email address, Squarespace will likely send a confirmation to this new email to verify that it's valid and that you've indeed requested this change. Keep an eye on your inbox for this confirmation email. You might need to click a link or enter a code to finalize the change. Once you've confirmed it, your Squarespace account email will be successfully updated, aligning your profile with the newest point of contact that works best for you. And that's it. You've made it through the process of updating your email address on Squarespace. Remember, keeping your account information current helps ensure that all communication remains seamless and secure. If you have any issues or need further clarification, the Squarespace support documentation is a helpful resource to consult.